Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Dr. Idriss Major Fade Disco Block Discoloration Treatment SPF 50. This product retails for $38. Dr. Idriss is back with another skincare launch, this time an innovative approach to an American chemical-based sunscreen. There are so many of these on the market, so it's hard to stand out, but ingredient list wise, Dr. Idriss has done that. One of my major causes of hyperpigmentation, especially in the summer, is because of way too much sun exposure. This product specifically I love because they include ingredients that are supposed to brighten and treat hyperpigmentation, dark spots, while also moisturize the skin, provide a nice SPF 50 sun protection. So you're kind of treating two things at once. You're preventing hyperpigmentation by applying sunscreen, and you're also treating whatever could be on your face at the moment. $38 is pretty steep for a sunscreen. However, with this technology, it feels like it's going to be a situational sunscreen. Not sure about that, but I'm excited to feel it, experience it, and see if it is worth that price point. With Dr. Idriss's launches before, they are more expensive, but they've been really worth it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. I utilize the standard American chemical-based sunscreen filters, including Avobenzone, Homosalate, Octisalate, and Octocrylene, but they also include ingredients like Hexylresorcinol. Not sure I'm saying that correctly. Never said that ingredient before, but that is supposed to even skin tone, and along with ceramides and glycerin to hydrate and nourish the skin. To check out the full ingredients, you click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things you're going to be looking for include, how does this product compare to some of my other favorite American chemical-based sunscreens? I also want to see how this product feels, how it performs, what finish does it leave, and also I'm going to be seeing if I feel like it's worth it and what benefits I see with this sunscreen. As for anything else, we'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this sunscreen. Out of all of the skincare launches I've seen recently, this has to be one of the most exciting, as it is doing something a little bit more with an American chemical-based sunscreen that I feel like will make it a little bit more worth it. But I haven't felt this product yet. I do know a lot of people are not fans of American chemical-based filters because of the finish, can be a little bit heavier and also just thicker, and people have experienced like different issues with it. You can see there that it is very light. It's practically not even there finish wise. It's definitely hydrating, but it doesn't give a really dewy finish. I'm mostly excited. First of all, I just realized it says whipped sunscreen. So that's how they're describing the texture of this product. Even though it says it is a whipped sunscreen, you still have to apply the 4th teaspoon, which is what I just got out. It has this nice purple texture to it, and I'm hoping, since it is a chemical formula, that it will blend in nice on all skin tones as well. This smells really good. I think they have some extracts or something in here that makes it actually smell, I mean, it smells like a sunscreen, but it does smell really good. Like a little bit better than the typical. I like the feel of it so far. It's definitely like a whipped texture for sure. They hit it on the nail with that. I'm interested to see if I experience stinging around my eyes, if it seeps like down and causes stinging. I've had that happen some recently. Oh yeah, as I expected, it's not too heavy with the finish. Oh wow, that's beautiful. And it feels really nice as well. I can tell, I feel like this product will be good to reapply with. It is a little bit more expensive. I mean, it's definitely up there for a sunscreen with how consistent you have to remain with it. But here's the thing, there's sometimes where it's necessity products and like situational products. There are some products you use in your day-to-day routine. This is feeling like when you're wanting to treat hyperpigmentation, use a little bit more of a gentle treatment for that, but also protect your skin against the sun. I feel like my face looked dull today, and I feel like this kind of just brought it back to life. I'm excited to see what benefits I notice with it and how it continues to perform. This has a really light, barely even there texture that's a little bit dewy at first. You can tell it gives a nice kind of glass skin appearance, but I can tell feel-wise, I think this will dry down nice. I'll keep you posted on that. Really good first impression. I'm keeping an open mind going into it and seeing what else I notice. So I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this sunscreen. Definitely more of a dewy finish. I noticed it not to dry down as well as I wish it would, but it is a very lightweight sunscreen. It worked amazing for my skin. It was an American chemical-based sunscreen that didn't cause any acne, wasn't heavy on the skin, left a beautiful finish, and also had some brightening ingredients that I saw subtle benefits with. I just used this product for a couple of weeks. However, comparing it to some of the dark spot and hyperpigmentation treatments that I have tried in the past, it showed very promising benefits that I will keep you posted on as I continue using it, because I had a good experience with it and I am going to continue using this product. I do want to comment on the price. It is steeper of a price point for a sunscreen. How I justify that is using this situationally. If you have a more budget-friendly sunscreen that you enjoy and you're not struggling with hyperpigmentation, I feel like the biggest standout of this product, besides just being a great finish and a great performance to a sunscreen, was the fact that they included brightening and hyperpigmentation treating ingredients in here. So I feel like when it would be most beneficial is when you are struggling with hyperpigmentation and you're needing a sunscreen that's going to double as a treatment for hyperpigmentation and also a sun protection to prevent hyperpigmentation. Very situational product, but there is definitely a need for it on the skincare market. I love that they used a more active-free approach to treating hyperpigmentation, so you are able to get those benefits without sensitizing your skin to the sun, but on top of that, you're protecting your skin from the sun as well. It is a really genius product in my opinion, and that is what justifies the price point a little bit more. And I don't know of any other alternative that is a hyperpigmentation treating sunscreen. Those two benefits combined are really what make a unique skincare product with this sunscreen. If you're looking for a sunscreen with a similar finish but doesn't have the hyperpigmentation treating ingredient, Bioma's Ultralight SPF 50 sunscreen has been my go-to for a while, and I would recommend that if you're not struggling with hyperpigmentation but you're wanting a similar finish. Why I love this product so much is, at least in my case, and during this trial, I was experiencing some leftover hyperpigmentation from some sunspots that I had where I didn't reapply sunscreen enough. I found that this sunscreen was the perfect reapplication sunscreen and also a beautiful finish that I was able to use, and it showed subtle benefits as I continued using it. I'm excited to see what else I notice with more long-term use of this. It's definitely something I'm going to keep on hand for whenever I do struggle with hyperpigmentation, because that is an everlasting struggle of mine. It's also technology that I haven't seen in a lot of other treatments, not only just sunscreens, and making this a moisturizing, lightweight sunscreen, but also taking into consideration treating dark spots. It is such a genius idea. It's something that is very situational, not something I would necessarily invest in every day, and not something I'm going to repurchase as much, just when I need it and just when I'm struggling with hyperpigmentation. This is not only a good sun protection, but it's a good treatment as well. 2-for-1 treatment. You could easily go for a simple routine of just cleansing, moisturizing, and then this to still treat hyperpigmentation and also be adequate with sunscreen reapplication. It is a beautiful formula situationally. I feel like it belongs in some people's skincare routine, especially if you struggle with dark spots. And it's just a beautiful sunscreen finish. Perfect example of two amazing benefits combined into one that I haven't seen before, and I'm so impressed with that. I would 100% recommend trying it if you do struggle with hyperpigmentation and you're needing a lightweight chemical sunscreen. And also if you're able to use these sunscreen filters. A rare moment where I felt like an American chemical-based sunscreen did stand out to me because of the subtle benefits that I saw. I cannot wait to continue using this and keep you posted on the results that I continue to see with this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.